Hello everyone, this is Lawrence Edmond, and this is part 3 to my Math 134 project. We start with question 7, which was use the stem and leaf plot and estimate the shape of the distribution. Insert a picture of the stem and leaf plot and provide a sentence explaining your conclusion. So here's my stem and leaf plot. It's the same as the last one. It shows my values rounded to the whole numbers because you can't really fit large decimal numbers in a stem and leaf plot. And based on the data provided by my stem and leaf plot, I believe the shape of the distribution is approximately skewed to the right. Question 8 was use empirical rule or Chebyshev's theorem to provide a prediction of the spread of data. And I got confused on this question, but I have the theorem, Chebyshev's theorem, and here's the formula, but I wasn't able to figure out the actual answer. For question 9, it was create a confidence interval for the mean, use 90, 95, or 99 level of confidence, provide a critical value, a sketch of the critical value, the standard error, and all formulas and calculations. So I decided to use a 95% confidence level. I had my mean, my standard deviation, and my d of f. And in the calculator, I used the inverse t of 0.025 and my d of f, which was 9, and I ended up getting a negative 2.2622. And here's a picture of my critical value, and there's the confidence level. As you see, the standard error is the standard deviation divided by the square root of n, and I got $113.5827 million, and I rounded to 4 decimal points on all of these. The critical interval is x bar plus or minus z times s divided by the square root of n, and the z is just the confidence level. And here's the equation I used, and my interval I got for my low end was 770.9864 million rounded to 4 decimal points, and my maximum being 986.7936, again rounded to 4 decimal points. I did not know how to do number 9, so I skipped it. I'm sorry. And then number 10, design a hypothesis test for the mean. Pick the same c-value selected in question 9. Provide a sketch for your solution. Your sketch should include critical values, test statistics, and p-value. Use technology for the sketch. Provide all formulas and any calculations. So, for question 10, I chose the same confidence level, which was 0.95. And so basically I created the claim m is equal to $170 million. HO is in support of the claim, which was m is equal to $170 million, or HA, which is m is not equal to $170 million. So the critical values in the calculator, I got negative 2.2622, and for my test statistic, it was x bar minus the mean divided by this s divided by square root of n, and I ended up getting 6.2421 for my test statistic, and I don't have it in here, but it falls well outside of the negative 2.22 or 2622, so it fails to reject HO because the test statistic 6.2421 is greater than the critical value of negative 2.2622. And I was confused on the p-value, so I did not finish it, but that is the end of my project. Thank you, and I hope you found some of it helpful.